Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel RDGK and Jobs and hit the big fat subscribe button to get new job and GK updates. So guys, here is a new video from Indian Army rally notification. As you can see, 2020 to 2021 an army recruiting office Siliguri. So the Indian Army is conducting a recruitment from Siliguri. Those who are students from Siliguri, you can easily apply. Online registration is mandatory and will be opened from 14th November 2020 to 28 December. Now today is 23 December November, so you can easily apply. Up to 28 December 2020 for soldier general duty, soldier technical, soldier clerk, storekeeper. So as you can see here, all these details. Army recruitment rally will be held for eligible candidates of districts. From these districts you can apply from Jalpaiguri, Darjeeling, Alipurduar, Malda, Kalimpong, Uttar Dinajpur, Dakshin Dinajpur, Kuch Bihar. An exact date, location and venue of rally will be confirmed later as per COVID-19 pandemic situation. Now it's going on COVID-19 pandemic situation, so it's not uploaded yet from Indian Army. So when your rally will be conducted, it will be uploaded by in Indian Army later. So online registration is mandatory and will be open from 14 November 2020 to 28 December 2020. You have time at least 1 month. At least 1 month. Admit cards for the rally will be sent to candidates registered email 15 days prior to the commencement of rally. So when the rally will be conducted, so your registration, your registered email will be come in your mobile phone before 15 days of rally. Candidate should reach the venue on given date and time as mentioned. So all these details is here. These are soldier general duty. Age should be 17 and half and between 21. As you can see, the date is mentioned here. Those students who born within 1 October 1999 to 1 April 2003, 169 height, as you can see, 169, and chest, your chest should be 77 plus centimeter expansion. So you have to expand your chest up to 5 centimeter. And the education qualification, as you can see, education qualification is class 10th metric pass with minimum 45 marks. Those who have passed their metric, so you have to got in your metric 45%, otherwise you are not eligible. So and each subject, your each subject percentage should be 33%. All these details are here. Soldier technical, those who are interested in soldier technical, you can apply. Those technical aviation and soldier nursing assistant, soldier clerk, all these details are here. Relaxation in physical standards, so all the relaxation is there. Those who are ST/SC, you can easily see that relaxation is there, and candidates will be tested as stated below. Group 1 up to 5 minutes 30 seconds. Physical fitness test, it is a physical fitness test, and their physical measurement test also. Physical measurement will be carried out as per the physical standards listed at para 2 above, and medical test will be there. And after that, your written exam, written test through common entrance examination, it means CEE, common entrance examination, will be conducted for medically fit candidates at nominated venue, and location, date and time of written test will be intimated at rally site, and through admit cards. Admit card for the CEE or the rally fit candidates will be issued at rally site itself. So all these details are here. Admit card printed, those when you will be when you will go for the rally, so you have to carry your admit card and photograph. All these details is here. And education certificate, domicile certificate, caste certificate, religion certificate, school character certificate, and merit certificate also mandatory. Relationship certificate, you're married or single, relationship, and also NCC certificate. So here as you can see, those who are students belong from NCC category, so you can easily apply. NCC ABC can certificates and Republic Day parade certificate should have photograph of the candidate duly attested by issuing authority. Provisional NCC ABC pass certificate will only be accepted in uh, authenticated and by concerned NCC group commanders. And sports certificates, those who have performed in several sports, so you can carry your sports certificate also. Affidavit, all these details are here. So guys, you have time. Candidate can apply in only one category. If anyone is found registered for multiple trade category, he will be disqualified. So you have to carefully see here that you registered for multiple trade, he will be disqualified. If you have registered for several times, so you will be disqualified and will not be considered for any trade or category. So guys, if this video is helpful, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.